Go Carpet Cleaning in Lilburn, Georgia. Go Carpet Cleaning is committed to offering quality service that will leave your carpets looking and smelling fresh and new. We have been cleaning carpets in homes throughout Lilburn, bringing years of experience to every job, and a persistent dedication to customer support. Our dedication is unequaled by any other company, since not only do we offer quality work on time every visit, but likewise supply excellent customer care that will make certain all of our clients' needs are fulfilled, each step of the process. We work hard, and we use effective steam cleansing tools such that we reach deep into the fibers of your carpet, and into every nook and cranny, so we can provide a complete, thorough carpet cleaning service. For carpet cleaning in Lilburn, contact Go Carpet Cleaning. Our standard carpet cleaning uses cleansing solutions that effectively get spots and stains out, and they're especially effective at cleaning up greatly stained high-traffic areas through your home. Our professional team of carpet cleaners will give your carpets the deep cleaning they ought to have. We're able to effectively cleanse even the most persistent dirt and grime. You'll see what's genuinely the very best carpet cleaning offered in Lilburn and the surrounding areas. Call us for a free consultation, and to discuss our budget-friendly prices on carpet cleaning in Lilburn or the surrounding locations, including Johns Creek and Fair Oaks. Call us at 678-818-5698 for a free quote, or visit our website gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com.